Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and kind of got a call out. I don't get these this often, but it was like, hey, you're doing this with itertools, you could be doing this with collections. 100% correct. But when I did the intro to collections, there wasn't a lot of response to that. So how about we go ahead and look at it now? Because we'll go ahead and call that a video request. I don't know how positive or negative it was, but let's just go ahead and look at it. So collections, because this is a unbelievably powerful module. So let's just jump into it. So we're gonna look at, we got an abdir, and we're gonna look at the counter object in collections. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Boom. If you look really close, wait a minute, items, values, keys, wait a second. This looks like something we know. All right. But it's just like souped up. All right. Collections, looks like a dictionary, doesn't it? Counter. Boom, now we're seeing some stuff we recognize. But it does all kinds of powerful stuff for us and has a ton of built-ins. Alright, it's a dictionary subclass, counting, but it is a object. It is a class object, so let's just look at it. Let's use this example. Boom. Alright. Oops. Collections. There we go. Rerun this. So, alright. And let's call C. So, it spits out a dictionary, and this already counts and collects for us. Collections, count. It already does it. So, in our example, we have A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, A. So boom, A's occurrence is 5, B's 4, C 3, so on and so forth, and we go from there. So now let's look at this. Oops, can you guys see that? I didn't size it. Okay, cool. You can. So all right, this is. All right, so now we're going to look at, so let's do dir on C. And actually, how about we stop here, because there are a ton of methods that can go into this, and yeah, how about we just do this and we just slowly start chewing into this. Bite size, micro videos. We're going to stay true to our form. So, because it is an object and it has a ton of methods to it, and I don't want to gloss over any of this. So there we go. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. You guys have been doing an absolutely awesome job. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.